like this guy. And
Goldberg with a spear!
Just a crushing blow from Goldberg.
Goldberg is making his presence known.
Oh my goodness, crushing it! He could pin his opponent right here.
2, barely at 2.5.
Yeah, but he's hurt, guys.
Goldberg is looking to end this right now. Jackhammer!
And there,
He's going for the pin. 1, 2, 3.
Goldberg wins! Goldberg wins!
Hard to imagine, but that match was even better than advertised. Here's another look at that history.